In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a meta title and description in Hostinger Website Builder. If you want your website to look more professional in search results and give people a clearer idea of what your page is about, adding a proper meta title and meta description is a great place to start. These settings help search engines understand your content, and they can also influence what users see before they click on your site. To begin, open your Hostinger account and go to the website you want to work on. Once you're inside your dashboard, find the option to edit your website and click Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder, so you can make changes directly to your site. After the editor loads, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find most of the website settings and customization tools. In that panel, click on SEO. This section contains the search engine optimization settings for your website, including the fields where you can update your meta title and description. Once you open the SEO section, you'll see the area where you can enter your meta title and your meta description. In the meta title field, type the title you want search engines to display for your page. Try to make it clear, relevant, and closely connected to the content of the page. Then, in the description field, add a short summary that explains what visitors can expect when they land on your website. Keep it natural and informative, because this text is often used as the preview shown in search engine results. Take a moment to review both fields before saving. Make sure the title matches your page topic and that the description reads smoothly and accurately represents your content. This small step can make a big difference in how your site appears online. Once you're done entering your meta title and description, click Update Website to save and publish your changes. That's it. Your new SEO information will now be applied to your website, and that's how to add a meta title and description in Hostinger Website Builder. It's a quick update, but it can really help improve how your site is presented in search results. If you're optimizing multiple pages, repeat the same process wherever needed, so each page has its own relevant title and description.